Seeing your latest video on Streamlabs OBS, which format do you like using best, and which format do you recommend for music streamers such as DJs?
Okay, let's go over here to the main screen. So I definitely recommend OBS Studio. It's free. It is open source, which means there's all kinds of people in the community making amazing plugins like the Twidget one that I just showed and others. And they're not looking to make money. OBS doesn't make any money from it. Everything that keeps the project alive comes from donations, just like what you guys do for this stream and everything else, which helps keep this channel alive. So it's not a for-profit company, and so that makes OBS awesome. It's also a really, really, really powerful professional style tool. So I use OBS Studio, and that doesn't mean that Streamlabs OBS is bad. I know their business practices have come under fire recently, and I certainly don't agree with those business practices. But at the same time, if we stopped using products from every company that we disagreed with their business practices, well, none of us would have iPhones, nobody would be driving Teslas, and nobody would have Windows machines either. So sometimes we end up using products for companies we're not super thrilled about. If it works for you and you like it, who am I to say? I do have problems with Streamlabs OBS only because it has a very it has a lot of overhead. So basically, Streamlabs OBS is just OBS with a pretty skin on it, and that creates that uses a lot more CPU than is really necessary to do all the exact same things that you can do in OBS. So usually people start out in Streamlabs OBS because it's easier. They can get familiar with it. They can go live quicker and all that stuff. And I totally get that. And that's why I continue to create videos for Streamlabs OBS, because I know new people are going to find it and they're going to use it and they're going to learn. But eventually, everyone who uses Streamlabs OBS eventually moves to OBS because it's a much more powerful tool and it's much less CPU intensive on your computer. So if you are a DJ streamer and you want to get the most out of it, eventually you're going to probably move to OBS Studio anyways. So why not learn it right off the bat? That's generally what I have to say about that. So hopefully that answers your question. Let's go get another one. If you want to see the full video I referred to in this clip, there is a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And if you want to catch our live streams or see any of the hundreds of different videos I have over there to help make you a better live streamer, go ahead and check this channel out. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.